Hey guys, Sam Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a little outgoing happy mail. I have some mail that I owe to Dee, and I just wanted to kind of show you what I'm going to be sending her. It's not huge, but this is some makeup mail that I owe her. So I am sending some stuff that I had prepared. Here's that little tin can. If you haven't seen it, I just added a bow. So and this seam binding, so it doesn't anything pops out in transit. I had this little this is for, I think it's called a swap holder, but this is some embellishments that I created, and I just wanted to put it in this little envelope of all of the cute stuff that I created. It's just the perfect KS Craft little holder to send goodies in, and like, just, you know, it's cute, and you can include a whole bunch of little stuff, and you can even put a little embellishment box in here. And let's see what else I have here. I have this little embellishment holder. I did show this in a project share. Again, it's the best little packaging. This is a Scrapaholics chipboard tag flip that I created, and I'll show it really quickly if you haven't seen that video. I was really into mixed media at this time. I go through phases. I'm sorry it's a little bit dark. I am filming at night. Yep, just really quickly. Cute little Maggie Holmes tag flip that I put a lot of love into. And then last but not least, I finally created something with the KS Craft embellishment book holder. And I just created this using the new Woodland Grove. I don't know why the name escaped me. Super pretty. I did a little rosette in the front. I tucked in some beautiful leaves on the back. I just layered up a bow. Did a little ruffle on the bottom with some trim underneath. This little Hello chipboard. My favorite Prima jammies. And then I just added these chipboard little, those like plus signs. And yeah, I love how they came out. And then in here I just included a bunch of embellishments that I had been working on. I did use some acetate to back it. Here's some like little florals, some butterflies, another little retro phone, and then I just tucked in some embellishments in here and some ephemera that she could use. And that is it. That is my little outgoing project share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.